Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. If you're having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 device, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi settings. First step is to check your Wi-Fi settings to make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. Sometimes, it may be accidentally disabled, which can cause the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up. You can check this by right-clicking on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and selecting Open Network and Internet Settings. From there, select Change Adapter Options and make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. If it's not, right-click on it and select Enable. Step 2. Restart your device. If your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled but you still can't see any available networks, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. This can help to refresh the network settings and establish a new connection to the Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Update Wi-Fi driver. If restarting your device doesn't work, the next thing to try is updating your Wi-Fi driver. The Wi-Fi driver is a software component that enables your device to communicate with your Wi-Fi adapter. If the driver is outdated or corrupted, it can cause issues with Wi-Fi connectivity. Install the driver, restart your device, and see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Check Wi-Fi services. For running, open the Services app by pressing the Windows key +R and typing services.msc. If updating the driver doesn't work, check that the Wi-Fi services are running. These services are responsible for managing Wi-Fi connections on your device. To check if they are, look for the WLAN AutoConfig service and make sure that it's running. If it's not, right-click on it and select Start. This can help to ensure that your device can establish a connection to the Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Reset network settings. If none of the above steps work, try resetting your network settings. This can help to clear any temporary issues or conflicts that may be causing the problem. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator and type netwinsock reset and press Enter. Then type netshint IP reset and press Enter. Restart your device and see if you can now see available Wi-Fi networks. This can help to reset your device's network settings and allow it to establish a connection to the Wi-Fi network. I hope this additional information helps to clarify each step in more detail. If you have any further questions, feel free. Conclusion. Those are the steps to take if you're experiencing the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. If you've tried all of these steps and still can't connect to Wi-Fi, it's possible that there may be a hardware issue with your Wi-Fi adapter. In that case, you may need to replace it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.